Thank you for joining me on my learning journey. Today I'm going to be sharing my learnings on some introductory courses for learning Python. And so I'm going to be sharing some courses from a few different websites, and I'm going to be sharing the links in the description below. So I'm just going to be going through them, and you can access the links down below. So first off is Python for Everyone. It's a Coursera specialization, and what that means is it's a collection of different courses that can help you get started with learning Python. Number 2 is the Python course on Codeacademy. So I believe at the time I'm making this, I believe that Python 3 is a paid course and Python 2 is free. And there are slight syntax differences between Python 2 and Python 3. But you can decide which course is right for you. Number 3, W3 School's Python course. So this is on their website. They have a selection of tutorials that can help you get started with Python. And W3 Schools is just a great website for learning a lot of different programming languages. Number 4 is Python for Data Science, AI, and Development. It is a course on Coursera, similar to the first specialization I mentioned here, except this is a course, and you can access it through Coursera. Number 5 is Introduction to Python Programming. It is a course on Udemy, and I believe, again, at the time of recording, that course is free. Number 6, Learn Python 3.6 for Total Beginners. It is another Udemy course and can help you get started with learning Python 3.6 syntax. So that's it for this learning. Thank you for joining me. I'll really appreciate it if you leave your comments, feedback, and further suggestions below. So on a side note, from all of these courses, I also wanted to just put in that the one that I first used was the Codeacademy course, and I used the Python 2 course, and that was really helpful for learning the syntax of that language. But I have also used resources like W3 Schools, and so all of these are really great resources, and I recommend that you check them out. I'll see you in the next video.